When it comes to finding a location to practice medicine in a progressive, physician-centered organization, I invite you to take a look at Mahaska Health Partnership in Oskaloosa, Iowa. We are not your typical critical access facility, and it's a great time to be an MHP team member. We've had outstanding results on patient safety, patient quality, and patient satisfaction. We recently completed construction on a new patient wing that houses surgical services, inpatient services, and our birthing center so that we can provide the high-tech, high-touch environment that your patients deserve. Our team is truly dedicated to making healthcare personal for you and your patients every day.
Mahaska Health Partnership has a rich history of meeting the region's healthcare needs for more than 100 years. We receive tremendous community support, and community involvement remains the cornerstone of our continued success. Oskaloosa is thriving in South Central Iowa with the values of small-town America and the amenities of a larger community. With a population of 11,600, Oskaloosa enjoyed a 5% population growth in the last census. The state capital of Des Moines is less than an hour away, and we are within driving distance of many major metropolitan areas. Led by our exceptional medical staff, Mahaska Health Partnership has a strong commitment to excellence and is accredited by the Joint Commission. Patient satisfaction scores, which are already high, continue to rise. Dr. Matt Whitus, MHP's Chief Medical Officer and Director of Emergency Services, attributes Mahaska Health Partnership's success to the health system's commitment to engage physicians.
One of my roles, in addition to being a full-time emergency room physician at Mahaska Health Partnership, moved more into a role of Chief Medical Officer. And creating that role here at MHP is partly due to MHP's commitment to tap into the information that our physicians have about how best to take care of patients and serve as a liaison between the physicians and the administrative side to help respond to some of their needs more timely and more effectively. I think MHP is truly committed and shows this in their day-to-day decision-making that they really want this to be the best place for patients to come for care. They really want this to be the place for employees to work and be satisfied in their work. And also they want it to be the best place for physicians to practice.
While Mahaska Health Partnership includes the hospital serving the Mahaska County region, our name represents the team aspect of the agencies and medical professionals who partner within our health system. Mahaska Health Partnership responds to the community's request for convenience, comfort, and high-quality health care. This can be seen in our birthing center, with nurses who continually rank in the top 98% for patient satisfaction. Oskaloosa's median age is 36, so there are many expanding families searching for obstetric services. Dr. Sean Richmond, a family practice physician who has an emphasis on obstetrics, came to MHP in 2000.
My practice is kind of all-encompassing. I'd say there's an emphasis on OB. I do lots of deliveries. And when I was looking at where I was going to practice, Oskaloosa really stood out for a couple reasons. Number one, I really wanted to do obstetrics. I really enjoy doing obstetrics, and I knew that Oskaloosa would be the type of a community that would be receptive to a family physician doing obstetrics.
Emergency Services is staffed 24/7 by employed emergency physicians. We are a Level 3 trauma center and operate a 3-unit ambulance service staffed by paramedics and EMTs. We have advanced radiological services, including new digital mammography, a new 64-slice CT, ultrasound, nuclear medicine, MRI, chest imaging digital X-ray, and PET CT services. MHP utilizes a PAC system with web viewing capabilities and have 24/7 radiologist support via teleradiology. Home health and hospice services are also part of our health system and include the 6-bed Hospice Serenity House, which opened in 2010. Mahaska Health Partnership is recognized nationally for our effective use of technology to improve clinical efficiencies and patient outcomes. We provide a fully integrated hospital clinic information system with a combined ambulatory and hospital electronic medical record. This integration creates a universal patient chart, giving MHP providers a single source of current and historic patient data. By implementing the latest in technology, such as barcode medication administration, physician order entry, biometric computer authentication, and single sign-on, in addition to having remote access available on Apple or Android mobile devices, MHP strives to improve quality and patient safety. Mahaska Health Partnership opened a 52,000 square foot patient care wing in 2013. It incorporates private patient rooms, spacious birthing suites, and state-of-the-art surgical suites. The newest additions to our medical campus helps enhance the patient experiences and helps us continue making healthcare personal for our patients, visitors, and staff. In 2013, MHP joined a growing national trend with the addition of a hospitalist program. By partnering with a hospitalist, primary care physicians know that their patients are under expert care, so they are able to spend more uninterrupted time with their clinic-based patients. It also allows physicians a stronger work-life balance.
When I was recruited to come here, I was at the end of my residency program. We looked at a lot of places and we found a really good fit here. There's a lot of advantages to being in a rural setting. You feel more independent, more autonomous. You can take on a whole lot more and you feel like you're constantly learning because you have a really good support staff. There was a lot of support as far as our transition from residency into the clinic setting, which made us feel at home.
Growth is not limited to Mahaska Health Partnership, but can be seen throughout Mahaska County. Oskaloosa has a diverse business community composed of several retail, manufacturing, and agriculture-related enterprises. Oskaloosa was chosen along with 12 other Iowa communities as a Blue Zones project demonstration site. Blue Zones communities work hand in hand with experts to develop a blueprint for making permanent environmental, social, and policy changes that will help nudge people towards healthier behaviors. As we look at the future of healthcare, it is incredibly important that MHP plays a role in improving healthcare services, not just through treatment, but also with a focus on well-being.
We have a bike trail, recreation trail that circles the town. It's going to be about 15 miles when it's completed, all paved, and I use that just about every day that I'm off. Lots of golf opportunities, 3 courses, 2 18-hole and 1 9-hole course.
Family-centered recreational opportunities in Oskaloosa are diverse and numerous. The Lacey Recreation Complex is a multi-sport facility that supports youth through collegiate programs. Facilities at the complex include 2 Babe Ruth diamonds, a 5-plex for softball and youth ball leagues, 26 soccer fields, 5 youth football fields, and a recently added collegiate stadium and an all-weather track facility. Oskaloosa has 3 lakes under an hour from town, including Iowa's 2 largest lakes, Lake Red Rock and Lake Rathbun. A little closer to home is Lake Hioma State Park, located just 6 miles east of Oskaloosa. George Daly Auditorium is the place to see professional touring programming. The Iowa Speedway is just 45 minutes away and features NASCAR and IndyCar racing. Also in the area, you will find Tassel Ridge Winery, which has several vineyards to produce their award-winning wines and is host to many special events. Oskaloosa is known for its historic downtown area, from the city square to the bandstand. The square is home to numerous family-friendly events, like the Friday After 5 concert series and Art on the Square. On Thursday nights, you can enjoy the Oskaloosa Municipal Band, while every Tuesday and Saturday, you can get your fresh produce at the farmers market. Another great event is the Sweet Corn Serenade, which brings in over 5,000 patrons to the downtown area. Voted the #1 holiday event in the state of Iowa by Main Street, Iowa, the lighted Christmas parade weaves its way through downtown every December. The Oskaloosa School District boasts a new elementary school and a recently remodeled senior high school, which continues to be featured as an Iowa Top 50 school. A strong core academic program is provided, as well as a variety of exploratory courses. Fine and performing arts are enhanced by the opportunity for students to perform at the George Daly Auditorium. The housing market in Oskaloosa is diverse. From new development to historical homes, there is something for everyone. If you want to build your dream home in a golf course setting, Fox Run is the location for you. The Timber Creek subdivision offers country living at its best. And with a city as rich in history as Oskaloosa, older homes are just waiting for a restoration that fits your lifestyle.
Mahaska Health Partnership is proud to be part of Oskaloosa's rich tradition, and we look forward to sharing it with you. As a member of the MHP family, physicians receive a competitive compensation package tailored to your specific practice's needs. Mahaska Health Partnership has been making healthcare personal for generations, making us the perfect place for you to deliver care to families for generations to come.